What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This week we are at Holley Ford Fest with RTR. So for me, the weekend is pretty much over. We're just kind of tidying up. We have one more demo that we're doing today. Today is Sunday for me. As you can hear, kind of lost my voice. A lot of talking, a lot of meeting people, yelling, screaming, just trying to get people pumped and entertained about what we're doing here. We got the backdrop of a theme park here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. it's been a lot of fun. There's a lot of car shows going on here, drifting events with the locals as well as us, and demos and Bigfoot. Very, very good event. Good people here in the area. Always nice meeting new and interesting people. Man, I don't know what to say. It's my first time back out on the road since all this started. So